Hey friends and family of Ronny's Farm to Table. It's a wonderful Wednesday morning in the Red River Valley, one day after Valentine's Day. We had a blizzard last night which is still lingering on a bit. Most of it is already gone by now. We have 4 hours still left of the warning, but looking in the yard it's not as bad as it was during the night. And boy, I read some reports already. There were folks from Fargo to Grand Forks driving in the middle of the night where there was no travel, highways were closed, everything. They were still traveling and they got stranded. And now at 8 a.m. this morning, the rescue services decided to rescue them with snowmobiles. So they're driving out there with snowmobiles because they cannot get with other equipment to them at this point and get them out of there and put them into safety shelters where they can stay nice, warm, get some food, water, whatever they need. But you gotta be so careful around here with this weather. All right, there's a little bit of a cleanup first here. I gotta shuffle off all the stairs, make sure that there's no snow so nobody can slip and slide. Most certainly not my pregnant wife or my elderly father. So first let's clean out my steps here, then my dad's step, and I want to take a quick survey of the yard, see if I have to snow blow anything. Even though the wind is still strong, I'm probably not going to snow blow yet, but I might have to. I don't know, I have to see. Let's get cleaning, and then it's time for our inoculation of the substrate mix that I prepared yesterday. So basically putting the mushroom spores on the grain onto my substrate mix and get that all sealed up. That's gonna take all day. That's a long process, but I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be so cool. Alrighty, let's get to it, folks. Hey folks, I'm here in the kitchen and I'm not baking a cake. No, this is grain from my grain spawn. I have this little turkey roaster here where I have everything in it, and it was soaking now for 36 hours. And now it has to go in the oven for about 90 minutes at 250 degrees. I think that should be enough. Maybe I'm gonna do 275 because it's a really thick layer. Yeah, I'm gonna do 275. Alrighty. And then we will be able to use it for our own grain spawn. So while this is all happening here, I'm going to go over in the barn, clean it up a bit, and get ready for the big inoculation. See you over there. Welcome in the Crookston room. I just checked the temperature of my substrate mix. We are at 78 degrees, which is just perfect. It's below 100 and a little bit higher than room temperature should be. So it is just perfect. So we have to go now over in the clean room, but for that I have to change my outfit. Hold on a second. I found a new way how to do it. Ta-da! Let's get to work. Thank you so much for helping, my dear.
You're welcome.
It's about 10 p.m. We're gonna head to bed. I have to get up early too, and I have to upload the video. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Night. Bye.